All right, James, if you would do me a favor, would you please let us know what your experience at Array Medical has been, how you felt about your experience here?
Sure. I sort of shoulder up pretty good, and uh, I'm a roper and compete, and I was pretty winged, and came in and with injections. Excuse me, injections and uh, the adjustments. Gosh, I was back roping in about 2.5 weeks, and I. I was pretty winged. I didn't know if I was going to make it back this winter roping or not, but I got going, and it's just gradually improved, and I couldn't be any happier, really. Really grateful that I made that much progress, and because it's pretty important to me to be able to ride and rope, and so. It's
Well,
an
that,
awesome experience.
well, that's great.
Really glad to make that much progress.
Well, we're glad that you came in and that you chose us. Would you mind if we shared with other folks your experiences here?
No, it'd be great, and I think the injections, the adjustments, and I really ran a strong icing down program, and give it some rest there with mild stretching exercises, and yeah, really tickled. Yeah, really tickled. Yeah, and my shoulders, since then, coming up to that, tweaking that muscle and stuff, my shoulders are way better than they was prior to that. So, yeah, I feel like I've really gained here. So,
Well, thank you so much. We
really
sure appreciate
tickled,
it.
really tickled, really grateful.
Excellent. Well, thank you.